Happy Thursday, everyone. I'm going to take you for a quick tour around our factory and what's going on. How's things, Jess?
Fantastic. Always busy.
Always busy. Good, good. All right, we're going to find Nadine, except I don't exactly know where she is. Nadine, are you around here somewhere? Here's Nadine here doing some work. What are you up to, Nadine? Quotes. I like your ideas. Fantastic. This is Charlie. He's the brains behind all of the production here. What's happening, Charlie?
What's happening?
Yeah.
Flat out.
Yeah.
Flat out working.
Yeah, doing some good stuff.
Trying to get a bite to eat.
Yeah, what are you eating there? What are you eating?
Risotto.
Okay, risotto. Fantastic. Now we're going to go for a quick walk around the factory and see what's happening.
Did it all with chrome music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put
What are you building?
Huh?
What are you making at the moment?
Compressor shit.
Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't